Well, the Mustang is on the lift. I've already removed the drive shaft, but while I was down here, I think I found why this thing's got the transmission messed up. So if you look carefully, you can see right here where the transmission meets where the drive shaft would be, there's plastic. And I think a plastic bag or something got into the transmission and destroyed it. So yeah, that's evidence I have so far of why this thing stopped working. So got the drive shaft removed, like I said. So now we are working on getting the starter undone right there. We'll get the O2 sensors. I don't believe I need to remove any of this exhaust stuff. To me, it looks like trans can come right out. So I'll get the stand on this, our transmission jack. Undo this cross member. Maybe undo this one, but not even sure if I need to, because I think I just need like 2 inches clearance, and that's what I should have to get off the input shaft anyway. So yeah, we are gonna make some progress hopefully here in just a few minutes.